what is the application of the design that we are designing, what is the frequencies, what are the voltages that we are defining, and what is the expected outputs and all those things. Design specification is nothing but a electrical parameters or electrical definition of a circuit. Once you are very clear with the electronic circuit definition or a spec, you are ready to start the circuit design, which we call it as a schematic design. Once the schematics are designed, you need to simulate it whether the designed circuit is providing the expected outputs or the results are in line with the design specification that we have defined. If there are any mismatches between the results and the design spec, you need to go back and tune the circuit that you have designed. Say for suppose the design is meeting the spec, then we are ready to start the layout design. You need to place the devices on a silicon, and you need to route them and all those things. We will talk in detail. So, once the layout is ready, you need to cross check whether this design is fabricatable or not, whether it is aligning with the schematic that we have designed, and you need to cross check if there are any mismatches, that it cannot be fabricatable or it is not matching with the schematic, you need to go and tune the layouts. After that, you need to cross check the simulations, whatever the design layout that we have designed, it is meeting our spec as per the design or as per the design specification that we have made. If there are again any differences, you need to go back and retune the layouts. Sometimes you may have to go back to retune the circuit itself. Once the design is meeting all the physical verifications, post layout simulations, then we are ready to send for the fabrication. And once it is fabricated, you need to send it for the packaging to avoid the skip the physical damages from the outside, and the testing you need to do the thorough testing in the labs, and if it is meeting on the silicon, we can say our chip is successful.